Hello, I am Dr. NIti. I have completed my post-graduation in 2021. After that, I joined here in IIRFT for the fellowship of 6 months. So I came with the zero knowledge in the field of IVF, but here in the period of 6 months duration, I got so much knowledge regarding the OPD, regarding the practical knowledge of and ultrasound also. It was my honor and privilege to work under the great mentor Dr. Rita Bakshi ma'am. I have gained so much confidence and knowledge in my professional career to step forward in the field, though it's a daily learning field, but today also I can say that I have learned so much. It's all because of Dr. Rita Bakshi ma'am. She is so nice and grateful that she clears each and every doubt whenever you ask, and this is very good center to, if anyone wants to join and do fellowship here. It's very good environment also to learn so many things in any aspects, like in the practical thing, in OPD basis, in the ultrasound basis, everything. It's so smooth. You can learn so smoothly and so perfectly. You can learn also and you can brush up also here.